Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about what tangent of a curve and next to find the direction derivative of a curve along the direction of a tangent. Okay, now first look at the definition of a tangent. Okay, now here r of t is a vector, the position vector at point P. Now this is a curve C, but we say curve C, and this point P, the position vector is r of t. Okay, r of t is xi plus yj plus zk with a position vector at point P. Okay, now here t is a some parameter. Okay, now x is a function of t and y is a function of t and z is a function of t. Okay, t is like a parameter. Okay, now this point P traces a curve C. Tracing nothing but we need to moving a curve C represents a point P. Okay, now this point P represents moving of a curve C. Okay, now the neighborhood point of a P is Q in delta t deviation. Okay, now is r of t. Now in delta t deviation we have r of t plus delta t is a point P. If we have the here the line here PQ, it seems to be like a line here PQ. As delta t tends to 0, the deviation we have here del r. Now del r is deviation of position vector. Now if we have r of t tends to 0, now simply that r of t plus delta t coincide with r of t. Now it simply here represents a simple line equation, simple line, a small line. Now as delta t tends to 0, as a del r by del t becomes a tangent of the curve at point P. Okay, now that represents as delta t tends to 0. Now if you have the situation, this is same as for delta t tends to 0. Now r of t plus delta t minus r of t by delta t. Okay, now this represents a derivative of r with respect to t, now which is same as for dr by dt. Okay, now this represents a tangent vector of a curve C at a point P. Okay, now simply we need to construct the position vector xi plus yj plus zk and derive that to get the tangent of the curve C. Okay, now look at the problem to find the direction derivative of a function along the tangent of the curve. Now problem, find the direction derivative of xy square plus yz square plus zx square along the tangent of the curve x equal t and y equal t square and z equal t cube at 1 comma 1 comma 1. But we say is f equal to. Okay, now f equal to xy square plus yz square plus zx square. Now del f, find it. Now the formula is E dot del f, right? Now del f I find it. Now substitute the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 here to get 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Now to construct the tangent, now before that we need to construct the position vector r of t. Now r equal to xi plus yj plus zk. X is what? T, y is t square and z is t cube. Okay, now derive these to get a vector. Along that we need to find out the tangent. Now derive this dr by dt. Now this represents the tangent. This represents the tangent. Now tangent is a right? Tangent is a. Now dr by dt represents the tangent. Now derive this with respect to t. Now t derivative is 1 plus t square derivative 2t plus t cube derivative 3t square. Okay. Now we need to find out the t value here. We don't have x, y, z. When observe carefully here, we need to find out the direction derivative point of 1 comma 1 comma 1. It means that x equal 1, y equal 1, z equal 1. When you put it for x equal 1, now simply t is 1. Okay, now put it for y equal 1, the possible value for t is 1 here. Now z equal 1, the possible value t is 1. Now then t satisfies all the condition for x, y, z where t equal to 1, right? Now t equal 1, it satisfies x, y, z, right? Now that t value we need to substitute here. Now wait for a value. Now a equal to dr by dt, t equal to 1, that is I plus 2j plus 3k. Now e equal to a bar by mod of a bar. Now a by mod of a bar 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. Now direction derivative is e into del f. E into del F, just we find for 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Now find the dot product in E. dd equal to 18 by root 14. Now this is a way to find the direction derivative of the given tangent of the car. Okay, thank you.